Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ESPN Fantasy Sports will not load on my iPad. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar type in ESPN Fantasy. Then you will be seeing an app icon like this on your visual. Simply tap on that, and then once you're inside, check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the old version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen. Then what you need to do is tap on your settings. Now once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on general. Now inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is locate the ESPN Fantasy app and then simply tap on it. Now on tapping it, what you need to do is you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does it resets the app, like hearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.